What's up? This is a documentary of my car. I'm restoring it, and it's basically, this is a video on the progress of how it's going. Hope you didn't see that. Yeah, this is the rear. Shit. Oh well. Yep, super sport. Like those tailpipes. Chromed out. This is the driver's side from the passenger side view. It's a 4-speed manual. You know, it's got the original side panels. It's the original dash. Only things that aren't original is the radio. Maybe a couple of the gauges. The seats definitely aren't. These came out of a Saab, which you can see right next to it. And the center console. Had to put that in myself. Let's see. I do got the keys on me, so I can show you what all the lights look like. I'm not gonna start it up because that's too much gas.